Alright, we're here with a close-up for a silver unboxing. It has been a while since I made a video. And let's get right into it. So this was a $1,000 silver purchase. My business has been doing pretty well, so I decided to spend a little money and get some silver. So we have two 5-ounce 2017 Year of the Rooster, Perth Mint, I believe. Silver 5-ounces. Then, what is this one here? This is a 1/10 ounce Canadian Cougar. Then we got a 1/10 ounce Canadian Wolf. Then, what is this? A 2.5. This is actually 2.5 grams of gold. So, two 1/10 ounce pieces of gold, a 2.5 gram of gold, two 5-ounce silver rounds, and what was in here? And here we got 2017 1/20th ounce Year of the Rooster, another piece of gold. Just a little guy. Yeah, it's been a while since I've made videos. I ended up starting a small transportation company, and that's been taking up most of my time. Here's the last item I purchased. This is from the, there's a bag that comes with it, from the Scottsdale Mint. I got the camera real close today. Some close-ups. This thing was pretty cool. This is a 10-ouncer. So, 10-ounce silver bar from the Scottsdale Mint. Pretty nice quality. This is probably my favorite purchase of this. I like to get these. They're nice and stackable. If you see that ridge, so you can stack these right up. And it came with a little black bag. Nothing too special, but so yeah, this was the purchase, about $1,000 worth. So take $1,000 of fiat and get all this. $1,000 equals two 5-ounce silver rooster rounds, one 10-ounce bar, 2.5 ounce PAMP, two 1/10 ounce Canadian gold silver rounds, and a 1/20th ounce rooster. You know, I could have just bought one piece and probably got more bang for my buck, but I like different types of silver and gold. But anyways, I have some stories to share with people. I recently got scammed by a local person on Craigslist who sold me several ounces of gold that I bought at a discount and thought I was getting a deal, and it turns out that it was fake gold. And I have 5-ounce fake gold bars right now in my possession, and I honestly don't know what to do with them. So I think I'm going to make a video and get some use out of my Milwaukee drill and try to drill some holes through these and see what's in them. If it's titanium, I think is what they usually are. They're usually titanium filled with gold plating. So I will check those out and make a video. So stay tuned and make sure you guys subscribe. There are a lot of videos coming. I'm also going to be covering my transportation company I started back when I was 24. like right around when I stopped making videos, I started that company, and I have turned it into a 6-figure business. So now it's time to start stacking some silver, because I think it's still a bargain, and see if I can build my company up to $1 million company. Alright guys, thanks. Make sure you subscribe.